The morning report looks good. We are ready for the shift.
Very good. Let's maintain this momentum on the new product line.
Back it up, back it up. Watch the line on your left. Okay, stop right there.
Look at that tensile strength before the snap.
It's incredible. This could change everything for the biocomposites.
Look, if we redesign the intake valve right here, we could use the biofilter material I noted on the tablet.
That simplifies the manufacturing process significantly.
The throughput on line gamma is dropping below the threshold.
I see it. Reroute auxiliary power to stabilize the flow.
The thermal output spikes right here on the efficiency curve.
If we reroute the coolant lines here, we might stabilize that.
Yes, let's move to the stress points on the chassis.
The Q3 projections are looking fantastic across the board.
And if we adjust the marketing spend here, we could see even higher returns.
That makes sense. I'll update the model.
These sustainable practices reduce waste by 20%.
And this schematic covers the new safety mechanism.
Precisely.
This view truly symbolizes the interconnectedness of our industry and the vibrant life it supports.
We did it! Look at that!
Yes, very healthy. These trunks will be very useful.
Our vision is clear: to integrate sustainability into every step of our production process, utilizing this advanced technology.
The circular economy model they've implemented here is truly impressive. This green technology is setting a new standard for sustainable manufacturing.
Okay, put it right here. We did it! Now it needs water.
These graphs show the significant reduction in water usage.
Yes, our new irrigation system made a huge difference.
That's wonderful. I'll take 2 heads of the lettuce, please.